Thank you very much for returning to my channel. Hello, I'm FCA if you're new, and today we're going to be doing some empties. I realized that the quality of my video is going to be a little different, and that is because if you saw my community tab post, I broke my phone. Hold on, I'll show you. Because again, this is not my job, this is a hobby, so I just use my phone to record videos. I think it's perfectly fine. But this is my current phone, the phone that I had been using. It is gone. Now, it would have been one thing, you know, had it just been a shattered screen, could replace the screen. That is not what happened. The software seems to all work, but the screen itself is also shattered, like the color is distorted and you can't make anything out on it. And I went to Verizon, that's who my provider is. It was a whole debacle. I ended up just storming out of the store. You be proud of me. I did not go Karen on anybody, but I can understand why it happens. Whenever you see those videos in stores of someone just losing their mind, you know what? I understand sometimes why that happens. That's a story time for another video. Maybe I'll make it a bonus video. But for this video, I do have my old phone that I had before that one, which has been a couple years, so the quality is going to be a little bit different. And I can't make text or calls. This phone isn't activated, so I can use it to record, which is good because I don't think I'm going to have my new phone in time to pre-record Vlogmas videos. So I have a little bit of empties, not a lot this month of November. We do not have a lot going on, and yeah, the color is just going to change wildly on this. I apologize, it's not stable. But this is the Colgate Optic White Advanced Toothpaste. It's the Icy Fresh version. I have this several times. It's my go-to toothpaste. I also used I used a lot of restoring gels. I have the chilled ones from Patchology, the restoring ones. I have the Get Dewy With It mood mask also from Patchology. And then I have the Rose Eye ones, patches. The Press Reset, this one's really good for acne. And another of the Serve on Ice firming gels. And that's just a tear. Then from the Creme Shop, I used the Big Juicy Corgi mask. That was really cute. The hydration ones of those are really good, but I find that their acne ones don't really do as much for my skin as other masks. Then these are both from Hask. I used 2 hair masks. This is the Tea Tree Oil Hair Scalp Treatment with tea tree oil and rosemary, and this is the Coconut Nourishing Deep Repair and Hydrate. So these are really nice masks. I don't use them super often. However, these packs claim that you can get 2 or 3 uses out of them. With all of this hair, I get 1 use. Then I have, this is the Pillow Cube Sleep Cubes pills. I used all of them. I use a lot of sleep aids. I usually have 1 or 2 options on hand. In fact, related to this is my magnesium. This says that it's good for bone and muscle health, and says it supports nerve, muscle, and heart health, and helps provide essential formation of bones, like to help keep bones strong. I don't know why, but several years ago when I was having severe tummy troubles, my gastrologist that I had recommended that I could just get this from the store instead of having a prescription to help me with some digestive issues. I just listened to him. I didn't understand it. I have a degree in biology, but that really just means that I can define things for you. I don't have a medical degree of any kind. But in relation to the sleeping thing, I got these kind of magnesium this time. The Spring Valley is just the most, where I get the most for the best price at my Walmart. And this is called the Chelated blend sleep support bone and muscle health. And I was like, oh, I'll try that. It has 200 milligrams versus the 250. And this one is in capsules, and these were in like the pill form, the tablet form. So I figured I would give those a try, see how I liked them. So I did use up all of these because when a doctor tells me to take a certain kind of medicine, I'm gonna listen. And I've been taking those for years, and if I miss a day, I absolutely can tell my tummy is not happy. There's like gel remnants from the masks all over these other two products. But this is the NARS Climax mascara. I love this mascara. It's wonderful. If you want big, full, tall lashes that are well separated, this is it. I've been really trying to go after minis of a lot of makeup because that way I can actually go through them. And I also used up this e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in the color Taupe. I've already replaced it. I got the duo pack, so I guess I didn't replace it. I just used the second one. But yeah, the Taupe is what I have in right now. I didn't do a whole lot of makeup for this. But yeah, so that was my few little empties this month. Not a whole bunch of stuff. I had a pretty big chunk of stuff in October. So had a fewer things for this one, but thank you for joining me. And yeah, I just making sure I don't have anything else laying about. Sometimes I take stuff out ahead of time of the bag. I'm just making sure. And that is what I have for you. Thank you all for joining me. Thank you for bearing with me with my technology issues. And I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving if you celebrate. And I will see you for Vlogmas videos soon. So excited. All right. Bye, my lovely humans. And if you're having a rough time with something, maybe you're having technology issues or whatever, take a breath. We'll be okay eventually. We just got to muddle through the poopy times. Yes. So again, I'm so thankful for all of you, for all of my new subscribers, and for people who leave comments. Even if they're not the most positive, the interaction still means something to me, that you're paying attention to the video enough to respond. And again, we can leave disagreeing things in polite ways. I have a lot to be grateful for. My broken phone just is not one of them. Again, thank you so much for dealing with me, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye. Still can't stop them.